Thanks for doing your part to help keep our schools safe. This is a self-administered saliva-based rapid COVID test, and you'll have the results within 15 minutes. To begin, let's review the contents of the package. You're going to be given a mouthwash packet, collection tube, sponge, buffer solution, and test. Before you begin, try to avoid eating, drinking, or chewing any gum for at least 30 minutes before you take the test. To get started, you're going to open the mouthwash packet. Empty the packet into your mouth and swish it around several times. Try to swish it so it touches the cheeks, tongue, and back of throat. Do not swallow the mouthwash. After swishing the mouthwash, spit it into the collection tube. Next, take the blue sponge and swab the inside of your mouth. Make sure you get the inside of your cheeks, gum area, tongue, and back of throat. Do this several times. After swabbing the cheek and gum area, place the sponge under the tongue and hold it there for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, take the sponge out from under the tongue and place it into the collection tube. Next, you're going to open the buffer packet and dump it onto the sponge. After pouring the buffer solution, slowly push the sponge into the tube to mix it with the mouthwash sample. Let the sponge sit for 1 minute. After 1 minute, carefully remove the sponge and throw it away. Close the collection tube by placing the cap back on it. You're then going to open the dropper and add 3 drops onto the device. After that, you're going to set a timer and wait 15 minutes to read your results.
Thanks for watching this video.